Okay, I'm back here with another unboxing video. I've been waiting for this item for so long. It just came in the mail, so. Here it is. If you did not see by the title and the thumbnail, this is another thing for my Chromebook. Oh, by the way, I got the sticker on there. So, you can probably tell by the box of what it is. So, let's get right into it. Alright, here it is. See what it is. And here it is. The TEDGEM light up backlit gaming keyboard right here. Okay, so I gotta get this box out of the way. Alright guys, here it is, the moment of truth. Oh, this thing is so sick. Okay, this is amazing. And it works too. Okay, this thing is so sick. I love this rainbow backlit. And it even has a number pad. I didn't have that before. Like, everything works, literally. Space button feels so good to press. Okay. So this thing is insane. I'm going to link this in the description to I'm going to link this in the description to the Amazon page for this. This thing is sick. You need to get yourself one. Oh, this is such an upgrade from this keyboard here. Alright, I've been trying it out for a minute. It feels amazing. By the way, go subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. This feels amazing. Which I don't have on this keyboard, but this is where the caps lock button. So I have it now. This is so sick. Okay, so like I'm able to control everything that I need to control using this keyboard alone. This is so cool. I cannot wait to use this. I wish this would have come sooner. Look at this. Light up, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on. I personally think it looks way better with the lights on. What do you think? Share it in the comments below. And keycaps are detachable, I believe, somehow. But yeah, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope that if you aren't subscribed, you will subscribe, and I hope you liked the video. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, by the way, remember, click the link in the description to go look at this keyboard. See ya.